Hey guys, it's Peter Jordan on the Lost Angler channel here at Delta Auto Marine, and today we're going to do a walkthrough of the new LT25 from Custom Gheenoe. We're just going to look at the features on the boat, look at how it's set up, and later on in another video we're going to put some boats on the water. So hang tight, let's take a look at some boats. Hey guys, I wanted to show y'all today a new LT25 that we just got in from Custom Gheenoe. So we're going to take a look at it real quick. We're going to go over its features so you can see if it's the right boat for you. Alright, so cool. So starting from the bow of the boat, we've got this one set up with shark eyes for the navigation lights. So that gives a really nice clean look. Also too, a trolling motor won't interrupt it. We used the trolling motor bracket that also offers the stakeout pole. So you can put in your stakeout pole right here to kind of give you some anchoring in the front. So that's a really nice feature. And what I like about that trolling motor bracket is when you put in the trolling motor, it seats right in here really, really well. Nice, tight, really great hold. We're going to look at the trailer in just a second, but let's kind of finish this up. So on the bow, we've got two hatches. On this one, I did it so that we have a forward battery. And what this does is it brings that weight down in the front, makes it ride smoother. You've got a nice breaker system right here for your trolling motor, so that makes life a lot easier. Really nice setup here. There I did a fish box. This one drains down to the bilge. It's insulated from the factory. Really nice setup. Now if you'll notice, you've got two clamshells right here. One here and one here. And what that does is it allows any water you get from your track on your hatches, that's all going to drain straight through down to the deck. So when you get rain, you don't get everything filled up. Now on this one we did a standalone grab bar. This will let you put a cooler here in the front. This fits an Engel cooler dry box really, really well. You can also do a smaller Yeti. We did the optional rod holders on the grab bar. This is really nice. You got one on each side. We have everything on your switch system right through here. You got your nav lights, bilge pumps, aerator, anchor lights, and you have a spare fuse here, so if later on we want to add something different, we can. You have your 12-volt system right here where you can put in and plug in battery, your cell phone, or whatever else. We also option the backrest right here, so when you're sitting down on that cooler, you got something to lean back on. Here's your rear deck. We have two hatches here. On this one, you have your Gheenoe back deck cushion and your live well. This is a really, really big live well, guys. Really big. And we've got tons of room to add a recirc system if somebody wants to. Now, let's come to the back. We're running a 25 horse Tohatsu. And this boat will absolutely fly. We did the transom mounted polling platform. I really love the look of this. I think it has a really, really sharp look to it. And we've got the transom saver back here. So to get access to that, I'm going to come right here. You have trim and tilt right here on the back of the motor. But on the tiller system here, we also have trim and tilt right here. And your throttle, forward and reverse, whole nine. So we're going to tilt this up. Then, now that I've got that up, I'm just going to take this off real quick. Set that to the side. Alright, and we're going to trim this back down again. So what this lets you do is it lets you have a tiller motor. You can use a tiller extension, and you can have that grab bar here in the front. And that gives you a lot more space in the boat than, say, like a center console. But the center consoles are really popular, really sharp, and really well done. So let's go ahead and take a look back here. So right here in the back, you're going to run a 6-gallon gas tank. These boats are going to get about 10 miles to the gallon. And in boating world, that's really, 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 really super efficient. You got your boat plug right here. I'm going to set this down here. We did this one with an automatic bilge pump. Everything's really easy to get to, very tidy, very nice. And then here in the back, I've got my anchor light here. So guys, this is the LT25. Let's take a look at the trailer. Now for the trailer, you've got some pretty standard stuff. I really like the way they set this down. So for your tie down straps, it mounts right here to the motor. Those eye bolts right there, and runs straight down. And about this light, you really want tie down straps. Same on the other side. Here's my Livewell pickup right there. So we're gonna go ahead and put this back on. I'm gonna bring this up. And I'm gonna put that transom saver on there real fast. I'll show you what I do. We're just gonna tuck that in right there on that. I'm gonna bring this up, and that's gonna go down. I'm just gonna trim that down. Then, if I'm gonna travel any distance, I'm gonna take my strap and I'm gonna go around the prop. And then we're gonna hook that in. So, generally you need 2 hands for that, not a big deal. And bam. Done. And that just keeps your prop from spinning. Alright guys, now coming to the trailer, one thing we did as well is we added a spare tire and a swing away tongue. And this is a really nice setup right here. It's really easy to do. Only thing we're going to do is we're going to come right here. I'm going to disconnect, pull that out. Then I'm going to loosen right here. Bring that off. And boom, there you go. Now look at that. That will easily fit in a garage. So if your HOA is not boat friendly, you're still good to go. Still very nice. Really well set up. We're running a galvanized Continental trailer on this one to give a little extra weight. I think it's going to tow a little bit better. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll see you on the water pretty soon. Remember to check us out at deltaautoandmarine.com. You can also see us on Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to give us a message. I'm going to get in out of the rain, and we'll see you on the water.